In this video, we will show how you invite your suppliers into DocBits to simplify the communication. When you are logged into DocBits, first you go to the supplier portal and click on the plus icon on the right to add a new supplier. Fill out the required fields and hit Save to add the new supplier. When finished, you will see that the supplier is now listed in the supplier portal. Now the supplier can check his email inbox and create his own account. To do that, just click on the received email and click on Register Your Account. You will be directed to DocBits, and here you have to fill out the required fields, set a password, and click Register. Now you are logged in and can add details like your address, contact info, financials, and certificates. When everything is filled out, just click on Send for approval. And from there, you are set. If you have further questions, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.